it has reached over here, and when it has come over here, the intercooler में temperature.
The following video is a part of the Dreamer package. In case you find the video helpful and want to watch more such videos like main air compressor basic layout, safeties of main air compressor, isolated, isochoric and isobaric process, positive displacement pump, etc., find the link of the Dreamer package in the description box below. You can also check out our courses on merchantnavydecoded.com. All the content on the Merchant Navy Decoded website aims at helping you get selected in a good shipping company or college, helping you get faster promotions, but most importantly, guide you to earn respect on ship.
Jai Mata Di guys, a quick recap again on a two-stage compressor, and then I have drawn this diagram for a two-stage compressor. डर मत देखिए, please don't get afraid कि oh God क्या क्या कर दिया है. I'll explain each and every line in a very simple format, and then I'll come to the conclusion. Okay? Now, when I talk about this two-stage compressor, what is happening? This piston is going down. One thing. In the last diagram that I made, there was something that I made this piston also on the top. Of course, this piston is going to weigh down when this piston is up, right? It works that way. So please remember that. Now, number one, suction. First stage suction valve opens. This is first stage suction valve opens. What happens? 1 bar air comes in. The piston is going completely down. Okay, it has reached over here. Now, when the piston starts coming up, pressure starts now. When it reached over here, complete that has been taken, volume has increased because piston has come fully down. Now the piston starts going up, and as soon as pressure starts developing, first stage discharge valve opens over here. And the piston is now slowly coming up. Now what happens? Volume starts decreasing and pressure starts increasing. Now guys, I hope you remember I talked about two ways of air compression. One is isothermal air compression and other is adiabatic air compression. Right? Now see, we actually want isothermal air compression. Why? Because isothermal compression mein work done required is less. So this ideally, this is the line for isothermal air compression. So work done would have been work done in this curve is the area in this curve. That is the work done. If this curve would have been like this, then the area would have been from this point to this point only. So net work done would have been very less. Copied guys? Then net work done have been this. Right? This would not have been there. But actually, we are getting adiabatic compression. This is this one. Isothermal compression very slow. We don't want that. Sala compress kab tak? See, compression will take a long time. You can't wait that long, right? So adiabatic compression takes place. And in normal case, adiabatic compression would have been like this in a single stage compression if we had to do till 30 bars. So work done would have been this much. Or now what do you mean by work done more? Work done more means आपको 30 बार कंप्रेशन रखने के लिए एयर प्रेशर मेंटेन करने के लिए you would run this compressor, this motor a long time. A lot of energy will be consumed. A lot of power will be consumed. If you have got a house, बिजली का बिल ज्यादा आएगा, electricity consumption. Similarly, electricity consumption of ship is more. That means you will burn more fuel on ship. So in the longer run, if you put a single stage, it is very costly. That's why owners want to save money, as I told you, operating costs. So that's, I can't spend so much money on this operating cost. My compressor is running all the time, so much electricity is being consumed. So that, okay sir, we will reduce our work done, please don't worry. Now we can't make it isothermal. So what we did was, sir, first stage, pressure increased, came over here up till, say 5 bars. Now guys, my actual diagrammatical representation है मत जाना कि this is 1 bar, then how come this is 5 bars, this is 30 bars. Don't go that way, but this is at 5 bars. It has reached over here, and when it has come over here, the intercooler में temperature reduces. What happens to the volume? Volume reduces. Why? At constant pressure, if you reduce temperature, constant pressure, if you reduce temperature, your volume reduces. Remembering something? Yes. Okay. So what happens? It goes in, and then again second stage, and over here, second stage suction valve opens over here. Then again compression takes place. Pressure increases. This is where the second stage discharge valve is opening. When the piston starts going up, pressure starts increasing again. It should have been isothermal, but again it is adiabatic compression. But in all this thing, we have saved this much of energy. Work done has been saved this much. Actually, I would say the work done. So basically, we are saving money. So once again, I'll repeat. First stage suction valve opens over here. Volume increases, piston has gone down. Up till this point. As soon as piston starts coming up, pressure starts developing. 5 bar pressure is developing. 5 bar pressure, right? Over here, second stage suction valve opens. The piston is down. Now, the piston starts pushing it up. Second stage, discharge valve opens, and through the after, and over here, it gets 30 bar, and then through the aftercooler.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such technical videos, click on the playlist given on the screen and find the link of the Dreamers package in the description box below. Thank you.